Welcome back to LearnWire. In today's video, I'm actually going to be discussing my new channel. It's called LTD Reviewer, and it is a new channel that I created that's going to allow me to be able to do reviews on more platforms than just AppSumo. Now, not to get too much into the details, but I'm not really able to, as an affiliate with AppSumo, I'm not able to do exact competitor videos on this channel, like going over to, say, PitchGround or Dillify right here, because these sites are set up extremely similar to AppSumo. They carry a bunch of different softwares on there at lifetime deals, and so it is against the affiliate terms of service with AppSumo. So in order to respect my partnership with AppSumo, I can't put these videos on my channel, right, on LearnWire. But there's a simple solution around that, is that I can create my own channel, and so that's what I did. This is actually a recycled channel that I used to have. It was the channel was in the motivational niche. And I since then rebranded it to LTD Reviewer, and you'll see that I have my first 5 videos are posted on here. I had a couple actually about 6 months ago that did really well. I got over 1,000 views on that one, almost 1,000 right here. And then I posted a couple days ago too, so it's going to be slow going, I think, definitely. But I did poll you guys. So I did poll you about 13 days ago, and I asked, would you be interested in me doing software reviews on PitchGround, Dillify, and Stack Social? And the majority of you, 73%, said yes. So 60 votes. So about 44 votes out of the 60, right? Said yes, no problem. We did have some comments about, if as long as the software is good, we're reviewing good software, then it doesn't matter what platform we're reviewing, right? So I'm going to try it out, guys, see how it goes, see what response I get. In the beginning, if you're interested in getting more software reviews from me from other websites like PitchGround, right? PitchGround right here, there's a bunch of softwares. Most of these are not going to be found. Some will have crossover on other sites. But most of these are going to be people that decided to go with these other companies and not with AppSumo, right? So there's a lot of software, over 200 on PitchGround to review. And then there's Dillify. A lot of them I'll see that they go with PitchGround and Dillify, but most of the softwares do not post on these sites, and then also AppSumo. I'm not quite sure if they're actually allowed to do that. I have seen it before, but I don't see it too often. But there's certainly a lot of software to choose from on here as well. These sites are a little bit less known than AppSumo. Obviously, AppSumo gets over 5 million views per month, and Dillify and PitchGround get about 200,000 visitors per month. And then there's finally another one called Stack Social. We can come over to Stack Social. I just went over to design software, and we'd be able to, like, say, open this one up, Kaito UI. It's this is the pro version. I don't know what that is, but when we open it up, it's actually a landing page design software where you can go and pick this up for $49, or for a team up to 15 users, $69. Easy way to pay, PayPal and so forth. But it's going to be a software that allows you to go out and build, different, kind of like Elementor or something like that. That's going to allow you to build custom landing pages. And you can go and read all about it, and then you can go and look at reviews and so forth if it has any reviews. So there's a ton of software on Stack Social as well. So these are the main sites that I would be looking at, and Dillify and PitchGround. Now, it's important, if you want me to do more reviews on this channel and fire this channel up and get more serious about this channel, then I'm going to need you guys to go and subscribe. And so you can kind of help me launch this channel, if you will. If you guys want more reviews, like I did one on Auto Writer, this one's actually was similar to Copy AI, and it's not on AppSumo. So there is a reason to go and check out some of these. Or it was Viral Copy. Sorry, I did Viral Copy the other day. Only 13 views, so no one has discovered this video yet, but it was an interesting AI writing software. And then this InStoried is actually a software that's like a Grammarly alternative, and it also can help with changing the tone of your writing and tell you if it's more on the positive or negative, and you can actually kind of change your writing to according to how you want it to sound. Okay, so I got my first 5 videos over here. If you want to support this channel and then get more reviews from me that aren't just AppSumo reviews, then go ahead and click the first link below on this video, and you'll be taken over to LTD Reviewer, where you can go and subscribe. You can go check out the channel, watch a couple of the videos that I have on there posted so far. And then if you want to suggest any videos, if you want me to put them on my to-do list on videos to actually review, then go check out PitchGround. And if you find a software that you want me to review, you'll just basically write it in the comments section, or go to Dillify, look at their software, pick one. And if you want me to do a review on any of these other places or Stack Social, then just get the name, come over to one of my, just go to my latest video. You'll just click this open, and then you'll just go in here and you'll add a comment, and then you'll put in, I'm not signed in. I'm in an incognito window right now, so I can't really give that demo. But nonetheless, go and add a comment, put the name of the software you want me to review, and I'll be looking at this at least weekly, and I'll be able to add those to my list of things to do. So that's the way we'll do this channel, is just leave a comment for now. There's not a lot of traffic going to this channel over here. But, you know, if you want more videos from me, then go check out this channel, LTD Reviewer. It's going to be my new software review channel. I'm going to put more softwares on there from these other places that are like AppSumo. But like I said, LearnWire is dedicated to AppSumo and you know, SEO tutorials and things like that. Where this one will be specifically designed, this channel, to do reviews on PitchGround, Dillify, Stack Social, and any other ones. I know there's like Sauce Mantra and the Deal Mirror. There's some other ones, but I find that once you start getting outside of these seem to be the main ones. Once you go outside of these to the other smaller sites, it's just kind of repetitive. A lot of the software is just listed at those other sites as if they're almost affiliate sites that are just listing them. So these are the ones that I know have their own thing going, and they have over 200,000 visits going to these pages per month. So that's it for this video. Just wanted to make sure you guys were aware of this. Some of you have already found this channel and commented. I appreciate you guys. And you know, some of these, like if I go post pace review, just for fun, if I come over here and I just want to see if I'm even ranking. So I'm actually ranked #1 for post pace review, and there was actually this one, there was a lot of reviewers that did this review. Somehow this video took off 6 months ago, and it's ranked #1. So I've had some traffic and some subscribers here and there. But like I said, this was a recycled channel, so the majority of the subscribers came from the previous channel, but I got rid of all the videos that were on the channel, about 50 videos, recycled, and just basically those videos are all completely deleted or unlisted. So it's a fresh new look, new channel. So that's it, guys. I appreciate you guys going and checking this out and subscribing to LTD Reviewer. And like I said, leave a comment below. Go more specifically, go to LTD Reviewer, subscribe, and comment on any of the videos you want me to do on PitchGround, Dillify, or Stack Social. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.